What's up, guys? It's your girl Lily, aka Queen Sorry, and I am back with another video. So guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lily. I specialize in everything fashion, beauty, hair, lifestyle. So if that's a bit of you, don't hesitate to click that subscribe button and stick around for more videos, because there are more videos coming to you this year that you do not want to miss, sis. Hit the subscribe button. And if you're not new here, welcome back, lovelies. How y'all doing? How y'all been? I hope you're having an amazing, amazing, amazing day today. And I hope you went to church today. Did you spend time with God? Answer in the comments. Did you spend time with God today? Because if you didn't, girl, you better pause this video and go do that real quick and come back. Once again, you can see that summer is here, and I am back with yet another video for a summer haul. So today's video will be basically me showing you or trying on a bunch of dresses that I got. And I have, I think 1 or 2 jumpsuits that I have to try on today too. All things will be from SHEIN, and I will put the links to each item I got in order down below, including the sizes down below. So all of that stuff will be there for you guys to check out so you don't miss anything this summer. So guys, I have a bunch of things to try on today. We're not gonna do too much talking, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Oh my gosh, God's blessings right now are actually just pouring out.
So guys, I am already wearing the first item here. We have this cute, cute, cute zebra print wrap dress. And y'all, zebra is in this summer. Let me tell you, this is very, very cute. I would say it's just above the knees, so it's an okay length for me to go out and actually wear. It is super cute. And what I love about wrap dresses is that even if I was pregnant right now, I'm not saying I am, but even if I was, like, a pregnant person, let me say that, a pregnant person could wear this dress like while they're not pregnant and while they're pregnant, because like you can adjust it to how loose you want it, and that's what I love about it. Versatility, you know? Adjustability. It's giving cute. It's giving I could wear this out to like a cute girls brunch, like where are we going and all that. It's cute. And what I also love about it is the sleeves. So here you see like it's an elastic, so you can basically pull it up. If you do want it like this, I just prefer it down. But yeah, check out the material. Oh, one thing. I'm not a fan of this material. It's very, very thin. So it is for summer. It is, but I like thicker material. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this material, but it's still cute. The dress is cute. Before I talk too much now, on to the next dress. Y'all, like, I don't even want to have this dress on for long. Like, I don't know what this dress is giving, but it's giving ugly. Ugly. Look at this. What is going on here? This part, who's it gonna fit? Who? Anyways, I don't know. People with smaller breasts. Maybe it's just not for me. I don't know what I was thinking choosing this dress, but it did look good on the models, so what is this? You know what? I'll put the picture of the model. I'll put it here. The picture of the model. And this is what it's giving. So there is like a tie string that goes behind to tie like this part on. But when I tie it, it's not staying, and like, I honestly don't have much to say about this. The dress is stretchy. I do like this material at least. It's just a no for me. It's a no all around for me. So let's just get on to the next. So this is the next dress. I have mixed feelings with this one because it's cute. It has the potential to be a really cute dress, but then something in my head is telling me it also looks like a hospital gown. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Maybe it's the material, maybe something about it. Just look at it. I look like a hospital patient, and God forbid. Like, what? I feel like it has the potential. Maybe with like accessories and like dressed up with like cute heels or cute sandals, it can go on, but like this, it's giving me hospital gown. You know what, guys? Comment down below. What do you guys think about this dress in particular? Is it giving hospital gown, or do you think it's actually cute? Like, it has potential. It has potential. The elastics are stretchy here, 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 and I think one on the waistband. It's a good length. It's like knee length, so very comfortable to wear outside, very flowy and free, which is what I love, which is why it's also probably giving me hospital gown vibes. But I don't know. Tell me what you guys think down below. On to the next. So this is the next dress I have right here. It is a dress. I don't know if I like it. It's like giving old vibes, tablecloth vibes, curtains vibes, like pajama vibes, but it can also be cute. Like, okay, it has this drawstring here that you can like hike it up or whatever. Is it any better? I don't know. The material is very, very, very stretchy. Like, the whole thing all around is stretchy. So if you do like this, I would recommend get your size, or if you want it a bit tighter, get a size down. I like the material. The material is nice. I like that it has a little like silk shine to it. And I don't know, maybe as a top this would be cute. As a whole dress, I don't think so though. What do you guys think? Comment down below. What do you guys think of this dress? Do you like it? Do you not? Anyways, let's get on to the next, because we have a bunch more to try on. So guys, this is the next dress that I put on, and y'all, the color is absolutely stunning. I don't have a lot of red dresses. I think I only have one. So this is giving. It's really giving. I like the style as well. But if you've been subscribed to me and if you've been watching all my haul videos, you would know I'm not going anywhere with this, because what is this? What is this? No, it's too short. I can't wear this out. This would be a picture and go. A picture and take off. A picture and return. Because, this is not practical for me. I can't do anything. It's very fitted, and it has absolutely no stretch except for this. It's cute. Like, I really love the style, but it's just way too short, and I'm not comfortable, and I'm not gonna go anywhere with this. So yeah, but it's a cute dress. It's a cute dress. The material's A1. Everything about this dress is beautiful. Just the length. Y'all almost got it right, SHEIN. Y'all almost got it right. But I love the color on me. Maybe I should wear red more. What do you guys think? Anyways, on to the next dress. This is the next dress that I have on. Y'all, the color is crisp white. The style, A1. But they messed up with the material. This is giving, it's giving like swimwear material. Like, you know that material you use to go swimming? Like swimsuit material? That's what this dress is giving. So I'm not sure what section I picked it up from. If it is swimwear, if it's not, I don't know. It's a cute style. It's a really cute style, and I can see myself wearing this. Too high, but yeah, it's really cute. I don't know. It's the material that's throwing me off. It's very stretchy though. It's very stretchy. So if you are gonna get this, I would say get your size, because white, it shows a lot, you know? So get your size so that you're comfortable and you could wear shapewear and be comfortable underneath. It's really cute. I just wish the material was different, y'all. Like, come on, SHEIN, come on. Anyways, y'all, that is it I have to say about this dress. I have a couple of more, so let's get to that. So guys, this is the next dress. The length is beautiful. It's a midi dress. What is going on? What is happening? This is a one-size-fits-all dress, and I was very curious to see like how it fits everybody, but I understand now. I understand. I understand. The material is not it. It would be cute as a top or like as a skirt, but this, whatever they did here, is not it. I do like the pattern. Let me show you up close the material. So it's like this type of material. I love it, But as a top, as a skirt, it would be perfect. As a dress, as whatever this is, maybe in a different style, it would be perfect as well. But yeah, just not like this. It had potential. I don't know what they did. Anyways, on to the next dress. This next dress is very cute. It's this cheetah print dress. It has this type of material everywhere on the dress. It is a very fitted dress. It's a midi dress with a cute hemming on the bottom, cute mermaid kind of style. I like this dress, I actually do. I know cheetah print is a lot, but hear me out. With nice accessories, you can rock this in summer. And you can look fire in it too. Like, I think it's a cute dress. It's definitely cute. It's giving, once again, brunch, I think. It's giving brunch. It's a very stretchy dress all over because of this material that it has. The sleeves, this part is not so stretchy. Stretchy. I don't know, y'all. It's just a cute dress. Cute and simple. A lot, but still simple. You know? Anyways, on to the next dress. I have one more dress and then the other two are jumpsuits. Y'all, I absolutely love this dress. It's giving flowy beach, flower garden. It's just giving. The color, it's giving. The style is giving. Like, I feel like a flower princess. This is also not very stretchy material, but it is flowy, so I guess anyone could kind of get away with it. This part is stretchy. It's a very deep V, so if you do want to wear something inside, it'll look totally fine with that. The arms are kind of just like a open hole. They also have these strings at the side for ruching. I like them down personally, so I'll just leave it like that. But yeah, like guys, I absolutely love this dress. Like, it's just giving. It's giving summer. Like, it's giving I own summer, you know? I absolutely love it. No long talk, let's get to the next. Before you say anything, it looked cute on the model. I don't know what this is. It's a jumpsuit. Like, I know what it is. It's a jumpsuit. But what is this? This is not what I ordered. Oh my god. It has potential. Maybe with a cute belt. See, I'm trying to make things work here. Maybe with a cute belt, it'll, like, imagine that. I think it'll, it has potential. It definitely has potential. I give it that. I do like the style. I like that it's flowy. It's very light material, so it's very good for summer. Has pockets, which I love. What else? I don't know. Not stretchy material, but then again, it's flowy and it's huge. So yeah, it kind of, you can get away with it as a dress, can you? Okay, not really. I lied. I lied. I don't know. It has potential to be cute. Guys, comment down below, what do you guys think about this? On to the last piece. So guys, this is the last item I got. This is a jumpsuit and it is vibrant pink. I am obsessed. This color, this style, everything about this, the material, it has like a little shiny material to it. I'm in love and I'm obsessed with this jumpsuit. Absolutely a yes for me, a 10 out of 10 for me. Wait, I would say 9.5. The only issue I have is it's a bit see-through. I don't know if you guys can see. You can see the tag through it. It's a bit see-through, which makes it, I guess, kind of light material, which is also kind of good for summer. But I would appreciate it if they had a lining, but then again, I could wear something inside and it's fine. But it's really cute. Like, it's stretchy all the way around. It's very, like, gives you like boss babe, summer boss babe. Wearing all pink, making a statement. Like, that's what it's giving. Let me show you guys the material up close. I don't know if you can see the shine, but it's very cute. The sleeves here have a nice ruching to it. You can pull it all the way up if you want. Once again, I don't like that, so yeah, it's cute. I absolutely love this piece. It's a wide leg bottom, which I absolutely love. And y'all, I'm just obsessed with this. Like, out of everything that I tried on today, this is my favorite. This and the yellow dress is my favorite. But yeah, tell me what you guys think down below in the comments. Guys, this is it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below which piece was your favorite, which dress was your favorite, and which jumpsuit was your favorite. I know mine, my top two are definitely this and the yellow dress. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end, of course. Before we leave, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed and you're here and you made it to the end of this video and you watched every single thing that I tried on, why aren't you subscribed yet? Like, what is the issue? What is the beef you have with me? Just subscribe. You know you are coming back here to enjoy my videos. Subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, guys. So y'all, I can only make it possible if you, yes you, subscribe. Like this video if you did like it, and also share this video with all your friends, family, and loved ones, and with anyone that you think would actually enjoy this kind of content, you know? Share. Don't keep me out to yourself. Share me. Hold on. You get what I mean. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end, of course. I will see you in my next video. God bless, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Love you.